Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome again. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of October. So we're just going to go ahead and get into this video. I don't want it to be too long. This month was Alter Ego, and like, look at these ladies. They look so good. The first thing that we have is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. This bad boy retails for $24, and it's supposed to just give you super volume, super length, and super elastic stretch. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's nothing crazy. You can see the close-up of her eyelashes. And this is what my eyelashes look like. I don't know if you guys can tell. This is what it looks like. It is actually a very long mascara, I feel like, and I don't know, it's just very oddly shaped, which I don't really mind. And it just has Superhero right here, It Cosmetics. It just looks like a regular mascara one, to be honest. And this one does have a scent to it. It's not super strong or anything like that. I actually like the scent. And the only thing I will say, this was actually very easy to apply. However, I felt like the wand, because it is so straight and just there's really nothing to it, I felt like it was so hard. Well, not too hard, but I just felt like it was so stiff and I couldn't really move around in my eyelashes. Obviously I did make it work. It's nothing, it's not a big problem, it's not a big deal, to be honest. But I really do feel like this really gave a lot of length to my eyelashes. I don't know if you guys can tell. My eyelashes are already pretty long. Mascara just makes them longer. I don't find this was clumpy at all. It's actually not clumpy anywhere. So I really do like this mascara. I've never tried an It Cosmetics mascara before, and I'm actually very happy with this. Is it my favorite? I don't know, but I feel like it is going to be my favorite because I'm really liking how long my eyelashes are, and I put about 2 coats and it doesn't feel like super dry and super like stiff. There's like some flexibility to my eyelashes. So overall, I'm really liking this mascara. Next, we have the Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. And this is what the packaging looks like. And this is what my mask looked like. So this is the lace from the front. This was my mask from the back. So as you can see, this lace thing did really take off most of the mask on my face. There was just a few small patches that stuck to my face, but no big deal. You just grab a warm washcloth and just take it off, and it's super easy to remove. This packet, you do get 2 lace masks, and then you get this the actual mask liquid thingy-mabob. And this one is, this dries very fast, so do work in sections. Don't just put one on here and then go to your forehead and then do this, because that's what I did, and it dried out super duper quick. And then the mask, I mean the lace mask, I don't really have much to say about it. I feel like it's a very cute thing. I do like how much it stuck to the mask underneath, just because it was super duper easy to pull off. And if you have super sensitive skin, it does hurt a little bit, but to me, I like pain when it comes to my masks, especially peel off masks, because I feel like it's literally extracting everything from my pores. And then the retail price for that mask is $30, which I think is a little bit crazy. I didn't fall in love with it that much where I would want to go ahead and spend $30 all the time for those masks. So that's all I'm going to say. It's not bad, but it's not my favorite. Next is the Per Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. So this is the packaging where the palette goes, and I really do like how it literally has all the shades over here, the names, and then all of that. So this is cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, and recyclable. This is what the actual eyeshadow palette looks like. I really do like this whole thing going on. This is what the back looks like, and then you open it up and you have your 6 eyeshadows. Both of these as blushes, and I know this one looks a little bit too dark, but I literally dipped it in there just a small amount, and I actually really liked it. So I know they look kind of crazy. When I first saw them, I was like, but I actually really did end up liking both of the blushes, and I also did use both of the highlights as well. For the highlighters, it's obviously nothing blinding, nothing crazy. It's actually very subtle. I I don't know, I'm kind of liking it. 6 eyeshadows. It has 1 matte shade and then 5 kind of like shimmer metallic shadows. So that's the only downside when I first saw this. They're all super duper gorgeous. This is what they look like. This eyeshadow palette also is cruelty and gluten free, and it's also vegan friendly. Just an FYI out there. $38 I feel like is kind of pricey for this palette, but after using it today, I feel like I liked it enough to want to pay for this. So if you consider yourself using these shadows right here and the blushes and the highlight, then I really do feel like this is such a good palette. I honestly was not looking forward to this palette because for 1 month of our Boxycharms, I'll go ahead and insert some clips or something of it. We got a per eyeshadow palette and it sucked ass. Like, I hated that thing so much. I don't care. That was my first impression. It sucked. I hated it and it was terrible. So after that, I got a bad impression off of Per. But this kind of made me be like, oh, they might have stepped up their game a little bit. Next, we have the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I got mine in the color Mother, which I don't like at all. This is not my type of color. I hate these types of colors. I want like a more grungy type of brownie color, not this, but it's fine. These regularly retail for $20 and her products are vegan friendly. Put this one first all over my lips, and then I went in with Jeffree Star's Christmas Cookie. I know, I feel so like weird using these two products together because if you know, you know, but whatever, it is what it is. It's makeup, right? I have nothing really bad to say about this product besides the color. Last but not least, I got this Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and this is from Pharmacy Beauty. It has this little divot so you can go ahead and just do that. Okay, don't you guys just love this color? Like, this color relaxes the heck out of me. I don't know what it is about it, but the color just looks so relaxing and so like, I don't know. And this smells so freaking good. This is like, it's very, very subtle, but it's relaxing, and it's just like, I want to eat it, but you shouldn't eat it. Don't eat it. This product retails for $22, which I actually don't think is a bad price, especially if I do end up liking it. I can already tell I'm probably going to end up buying this because the color just, I love the color, I love the scent, and I feel like it's going to work. I don't know. Okay guys, and that was it for October's Boxycharm unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Let me know what some of your favorite products were from your own Boxycharm if you have it. And if you don't, let me know what item you thought was interesting from mine. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on my videos. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, I'll go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, stay safe and God bless.